The Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, launched in 2025, is a premium smartwatch that blends style and functionality. Is it worth the purchase? The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic combines a classic watch aesthetic with modern tech. Its stainless steel case and rotating bezel offer both elegance and intuitive navigation. The bezel makes scrolling through menus seamless, especially during workouts or when hands are occupied. The new squircle design, inspired by the Galaxy Watch Ultra, feels premium but may stray too far from traditional watch aesthetics for some. Available only in a 46mm size, it might feel bulky on smaller wrists. The dynamic lug system simplifies strap changes, but older Galaxy Watch straps aren't compatible, which is a drawback. The 1.34-inch Super AMOLED display, with 3000 nits of brightness, ensures excellent visibility even in bright sunlight. However, the screen is smaller than the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic's 1.5-inch display, which might disappoint some users. Powered by the Exynos W1000 processor and 2 GB of RAM, performance is smooth and responsive. Running Wear OS 6 with One UI 8, the watch offers a refined interface with a new Now bar for notifications and customizable widgets. Google Gemini integration enhances voice commands, enabling tasks like starting workouts or controlling smart home devices effortlessly. The Watch 8 Classic excels in health tracking. It introduces unique features like an antioxidant index, vascular load measurement, and sleep apnea detection, setting it apart from competitors. The personalized running coach, based on a 12-minute test, creates tailored 5K or marathon training plans. Heart rate, blood oxygen, ECG, and sleep tracking are highly accurate, though some advanced features work fully only with Samsung phones, limiting versatility for non-Samsung users. The 445 mAh battery lasts about 30 to 40 hours with the always-on display, which is underwhelming compared to rivals like the OnePlus Watch 3. Charging takes roughly 1 hour 24 minutes, which is decent but not exceptional. Requiring 3 apps complicates the user experience, and the $499 price tag feels steep given the battery life and smaller screen. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is worth buying for Samsung ecosystem users who value its premium design, rotating bezel, and advanced health features. However, its price, modest battery life, and smaller display warrant considering alternatives like the standard Galaxy Watch 8 or Google Pixel Watch 3. If you prioritize a classic watch look and own a Samsung phone, it's a great choice. Otherwise, weigh your needs and budget carefully.